Hello YouTube and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I am Cretia and I am all things about, well, I'm about a lot of things, but this channel here is about gardening and my dog Harley whenever I have time to post her. And of course, I will start doing more cooking videos, but today I want to show you all my seedlings that I have going in my bathroom. What's that in my head? That's never mind, y'all. Anyway, welcome to my channel again. And if you are a subscriber, welcome back. Thank you so much. Please subscribe to my channel if you are not a subscriber. I would love to have you here. I only have 45 subscribers. So yes, I would love to grow my channel. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, it's just about going over my seedlings that I have started and my future plans for my small garden. Okay, I have an overcrowded bathroom grow light situation. So I had to move some things inside because I did have these items here outside to get some sun, but we are having cold temperatures here in North Texas for at least 2 days. So I was concerned about some of my tomato plants, but I'm seeing new growth. So this is a pear tomato right here. Oops, I'm gonna knock it over. So as you can see, the leaves are looking pretty good on this one here. Let me clean up under my nails. I've been eating, y'all, some breakfast. So anyway, the basil is looking pretty good. These are pear tomatoes too as well. I did too many pear tomatoes. I don't need all these. I really wanted some Cherokee purple tomatoes, and those are the ones that I'm really concerned about. As you can see, these little babies here, they are leaning over, all just straggly looking and going on, and the leaves are not as pronounced as these leaves here, as you can see. But I started some more yesterday, so we will see how those go. Again, these are more pear tomatoes and they are looking better than the Cherokee. So I don't know if something was wrong with the Cherokee seeds that I have, but we will see. These are mini peppers that I took from my fridge, the seeds from HEB. Not sure if these are going to do anything because they were not organic seeds. I don't think so. No, these are different. These are big red pepper seeds, but they kind of look like the mini pepper seeds. So we'll see, but these are supposed to grow into large bell peppers. Now this is a Cherokee tomato right here, and it looks better than the ones that I just showed you all. So yeah, we'll see. My peach tree seed still not doing anything. I got that from my fridge too as well. So I'm gonna leave it in here for as long as possible. And when it warms up, I'm gonna sit it outside. My nasturtiums are doing great. I'm just going to plant this entire peat pot in the ground. All right, and my watermelon seeds are looking great. I have two different types of watermelons here. The sugar cube kind, and then just regular watermelon on the end there. In the middle, I have some sunflower seeds. Now those are showing some brown. I think I burnt the leaves from leaving it too close to the grow light. So I did move this from the grow light. And then on the end there, I have green tomatoes. They're not looking so strong, but we'll see what happens. And then most recently, yesterday, I planted these babies here. So I'm going to have pink hibiscus, which is going to have a swirl, so a pink swirl inside of a white flower. They're supposed to get up to 8 inches big. I cannot believe it. And then the mallow hibiscus is right next to that. As you can see, that seed is already poking up out of the pink one. I pressed it back down and it poked back up again. So I just let it do what it do. And then this row here, these two are, let's see, I wrote on the thing. Oh, hillbilly tomatoes and Cherokee tomatoes. I wanted to do some more Cherokee to start them in these little jiffy pods to see if they will turn out better, because I just use regular seed starter mix inside of a container without being in those little pods. So I don't know if this will make a difference or not, but we will see. All right. Well, that's it for my little bathroom situation here. Good morning, everyone. Nice to see you. Have a blessed day and a blessed week.